parting words is that remember that cybersecurity is never a technological problem. Okay? Never. One of the greatest paradoxes in cybersecurity is putting a technical person as CISO. And like 60% of the time they fail. Because they think that cybersecurity is a technical problem. It's not. And I'm betting you that's the same problem you're having now in your own organizations. You think it's a technical problem. No, it's a human, social, and cultural problem. Okay? Education is part of it. Risk assessment is a major part of cybersecurity. So this particular training, this framework is very important in getting our acts together. All right? So, and last but not the least, cybersecurity is a team effort. One fails, we all fail. So let's all work together. And again, it is not a technical problem. It is a social, cultural, it's a people problem. It's a team effort. Maraming salamat. Magandang hapon sa inyo.